In today's lecture, we all will discuss the rationalization of denominator. How to rationalize the denominator of a fraction. Few fractions I have written here. 1 upon root 7, 3 upon root 5, 2 upon 3 root 2, and some here also I have written. If we'll see these all fractions one by one, so in the first one, the denominator is an irrational number. Here also irrational. This is the irrational number. Root 7 minus root 6 irrational, irrational, irrational. All the denominators are irrational here. These all irrational denominators to be converted in rational is called the rationalization of denominator. इन्हीं irrational denominators को rational में convert करने को हम लोग denominators का rationalization कहते हैं. There are two types we all will study here. The first one, if the denominator is in single term, and second, when the denominator is in two terms. Here two terms are given, root 7 minus root 6, two terms, root 5 plus root 2, root 7 minus 2. And in first three examples, the denominators are in single term. So the conversion of an irrational denominator by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number is known as rationalization. If we have to convert, we have to change this root 7 in a rational number. So for that, in root 7, we have to multiply by root 7. Now when root 7 multiplied by root 7 will get 7. But it is not possible to divide any fraction by the number because its value will change. So for that, if we are dividing it by root 7, so we have to multiply it by root 7 also. Now 1 upon root 7 is multiplying by root 7 and divided by root 7. So here its value will not change. Now simplified, 1 into root 7 upon root 7 and root 7 will come 7. Now in this fraction, you all will see this denominator became a rational number. So this is the rationalization of the denominator of single term. So let's see the second example. In the denominator root 5 is given. So here we'll multiply by root 5 and we'll also root 5. So 3 into root 5, 3 root 5 whole upon root 5 into root 5 will get 5. Now again we have here the denominator is a rational number. In this one, we have to multiply and divide by root 2 only because 3 is already rational. So when we will multiply and divide by root 2, so 2 root 2 upon 3 into root 2 will becomes 2. 2 cancel. Root 2 upon 3 is the answer. So here if you see this 7, this 5 and this 3, is the rational number. These all are the denominators and these all are the rational. Earlier it was irrational. So what we'll do if the fraction contain the denominator as an irrational number of two terms, so for that we have to multiply by the same denominator, just changing its sign. It will be √7 प्लस √6 और इसी नंबर से यहाँ पे भी हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1 का मल्टीप्लाई √7 प्लस √6 में होगा, सो विल गेट हियर ओनली √7 प्लस √6. And in the denominator, if we see these both brackets, so there is an identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. By this identity, 7 minus √7 minus √6 into √7 plus √6, a minus b, a plus b. So here we'll get √7 square minus √6 square. √7 plus √6 as it is will write, and here √7 square means 7 only, and √6 square is 6 only. 7 minus 6, 1. So the final answer is √7 plus √6. No need to write upon 1. And in this one, the denominator is 1, which is the rational number. Same for that also we'll do. यहाँ भी वही करेंगे. √5 minus √2 से मल्टीप्लाई, √5 minus √2 से मल्टीप्लाई और √5 minus √2 से डिवाइड, दोनों करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. So when multiply, so 1 into √5 minus √2 ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. और यहाँ पे फिर वही आइडेंटिटी लग जाएगी a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, तो a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. तो √5 square is 5 only and √2 square is 2 only. So finally we'll get √5 minus √2 whole upon 5 minus 2, 3. तो यहाँ आप देखेंगे ये डिनोमिनेटर भी रैशनल नंबर है. ऐसे आप इसे भी सॉल्व कर लीजिए. अब यहाँ एक टर्म आता है हमारा रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर. किसी इररेशनल नंबर को सुटेबल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे अगर वो रैशनल हो जाता है तो ये रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर कहलाता है. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से कि इफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इररेशनल नंबर इज रैशनल, जब किसी दो इररेशनल नंबर का प्रोडक्ट रैशनल नंबर होता है, दिस इज irrational, this is the irrational, the product of these both is the rational, so each one is called the rationalizing factor of each other. For example, √7 is an irrational and √7 also the irrational. The product of these both is the 7, which is the rational. So these are the rationalizing factor of each other. √7 plus √6, its rationalizing factor is √7 minus √6. When you solve this both, we'll get √7 square minus root 6 square by the identity of a plus b, a minus b. So 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. So this is the irrational number. This is an irrational number. Their product is coming 1, which is the rational. तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि इसका रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर √7 माइनस √6 है और √7 माइनस √6 का रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर √7 प्लस √6 है. So some questions are given in the homework. You all, based on the rationalizing of denominator, rationalization of denominator are given. So you all will perform in that and clear your doubt. And if is there any confusion, any problem, so please pause the video, rewind the video and see the method how I have converted this all. Good day.